Hey everyone, welcome to Millennium Computers online tutorial series. Today I'm going to show you a quick reintroduction to the concept of fiscal period in fast finance reporting. Now this is pretty standard across the board and you've probably seen lots of tutorials dedicated to things like using function-based filters and how to summarize your data in different ways. But we've made one recent change to the fiscal period filter options, and I just want to make sure that you've seen the changes and know how to use it. Now I'm looking at a standard summary by hierarchy current year, but this can also be applied to those of you who like using your application info tab as your default landing page in Fast Finance. It's going to look and feel exactly the same way. Now, of course, the current open fiscal period is still going to default in as the baseline selection, so I could certainly run this report as is, but I want to show you how the new fiscal period filter lays out additional options. It used to be the concept of a drop-down, and that can get onerous over time because there are so many potential fiscal periods to choose from in that list. Now I can click on my magnifying glass, and what it's going to do is open the current fiscal year, that's the parent, and then show me very visually which current period I'm associating with. Now this is going to show me, in this case, all of the fiscal periods that align to the current fiscal year, which in this case is 2018. Now if I scroll down a little bit farther, now I can see the additional fiscal years. These used to all be listed separately in a single drop-down filter, which made it really difficult to pinpoint a specific fiscal period in a previous fiscal year. Now all I have to do is select my year and open it up. And now I get all the fiscal periods that roll up to that selected fiscal year. I could choose now my January 2016 and now quickly and easily run a report against that fiscal period. When I open it again, it's going to hold my place, which was 2016, but also highlight 2018 so that I can know exactly where I was and what the default is. And as always, you can certainly use your function-based filters, which allow you to specify a dynamic or function-based filter rather than using specific or hard-coded points in time. I hope this was a helpful reintroduction to the concept of fiscal periods in fast finance reporting.